This is Heather Kelly, University of Tennessee, scouting some canola, a commercial field I have some research plots in. Two different issues I want to point out to you. So as you walk or scout canola, of course there can be discoloration on the leaves from previous freeze, frost, injury, but to make sure you're looking close. So here, an area that looks suspiciously worse than others with some plants dying. So closer examination on the plant, you can see white fuzzy growth here, which is the fungus growing. And then specifically too, even on other material, you can start to see black. And if you look closer, you can pull that off, and that is what's called a sclerotia. And then even behind it, some have fallen onto the ground. So these sclerotia are overwintering structures of the fungus, but also in the right environment, from this sclerotia, a small little mushroom-like reproducing structure called apothecia forms. From that apothecia, ascospores are shot up into the air and then can spread across the field, landing on flowers and flower petals, falling and causing more widespread infection. And so that's the main stage of the disease we want to make sure we protect from. So when we put out a fungicide for that protection, we're trying to have the optimal timing to protect when those ascospores might be released, as well as overall when the field is in the majority bloom. The other issue in this field, again mainly walking on the edges for right now, is first thing you notice is actually a lot of lady beetle or ladybug larvae, which is not the greatest sign, because that means you probably have already a pretty high infestation of a pest. So aphids, there's a lot of aphids here on the edge of this field that need to be treated. And so again, the discoloration of the leaves, while a lot of it can be frost damage, we've warmed up really quickly this year in West Tennessee, and due to that, I have some pests that are blowing up. Even though right there, I believe those are some mummified aphids, those blown up lighter colored ones, but still it means you have more even beneficials parasitizing them. But a lot going on in this field.